Husqvarna has a long history that is rich in tradition, starting with the very first Husqvarna factory established in 1689. From homeowners to full-time professionals, our blowers are ideal for anyone who requires first-class quality, durability, and ergonomics. This is a Husqvarna heavy-duty backpack blower. BT units have the throttle on the tube, and BF units have the throttle on the frame. Before using the product, familiarize yourself with the components of the machine: the frame, the harness, the spark plug cap, the throttle lever, the net, the choke lever, the air cleaner, the caution label, the fuel tank, the recoil starter, the stop switch with throttle position setting, the fan housing, the flexible hose, and the pipes. Make sure you wear the proper personal protective equipment when using your blower, including gloves, hearing protection, eye protection, boots, work clothes, and heavy-duty long pants.